everyone, we are Team Wheelie and I am Nava.
I am Sanjeev.
And I am Vishnu. We are studying in class 7th and ATL Public School, Koorgalli, Mysore.
The theme we have chosen is mobility, and our problem statement is to
accessibility and inclusive design, creating innovation, transportation and infrastructure solutions that are inclusive and accessible for all people with disabilities. Ensuring equal access to mobility options and enhancing the overall urban experience for everyone.
A wheelchair is a wheelchair that is used when walking is difficult or impossible due to illness, injury, old age or disability. The official estimates of disabled persons in India obtained through the population census of 2011 were about 21 million, which is roughly around 2% of the total population. According to the India Wheelchair Market, Industry Trends and Forecast Report 2028, published in July 2022, the Indian wheelchair market was worth USD 162.58 million. Wheelchairs, whether foldable or non-foldable, do not have an integrated ramp carrying mechanism. Our project aims to design a foldable, portable wheelchair ramp that is integrated into both manual foldable and non-foldable manual wheelchairs. This innovative ramp system will address the common challenge of navigating 1 to 2 step raised surfaces, empowering wheelchair users to independently and effortlessly overcome obstacles in their daily life. To understand the difficulties that wheelchair users face, we conducted a survey at the JSS Polytechnic for differently abled Mysore. We interviewed 11 wheelchair users with physical disabilities. Based on the inputs received from wheelchair users, we developed two key factors to enhance accessibility: a foldable portable ramp and a holding mechanism integrated into the wheelchair.
Foldable portable ramp. We constructed the ramp using 0.6 mm plywood, incorporating hinges for flexibility, and added rubber cleat for enhanced traction. This design allows for easy folding and unfolding of the ramp as needed. Holding mechanism. To facilitate convenient storage and accessibility, we introduced wood channels and boxes that are affixed to the back of the wheelchair and also below the seat. These channels and boxes serve as a secure compartments for storing the foldable ramp, and the holding mechanism below the seat is for the foldable wheelchair.
Usage. When encountering an elevated surface, wheelchair users can effortlessly retrieve the ramp from either the back of the seat or below the seat. This user-friendly design ensures quick and efficient deployment of the ramp, enabling individuals to navigate elevated surfaces with ease. Since we have used plywood, the weight of the foldable ramp exceeds the recommended standards, resulting in challenges to maintain the required balance of the wheelchair users. If selected, we would like to make a foldable ramp out of a lightweight material like fiber or aluminum.
We together worked on making our model and researched and developed the document.
Thank you.